At what time will the ball hit the ground? So this is just an extension of the previous problem we did, and I'll go through again the two ways of doing this. And so if you didn't watch a previous video, which is problem 9, I go through the two methods, which is one algebraically and one graphically. I'll go ahead and do this again just so that you can, if you didn't watch the video, you can follow along here. So first strategy is we can just take this equation and graph it into the calculator. So we have it graphed here. Now it's saying what time will it hit the ground. So what we can do is find this x-intercept right here. We can do second trace to get the calculate menu, go to 0, and then we go put in the left bound and the right bound of this 0 that we want to isolate or narrow in on. And so we see that the 0, it says on the calculator y is equal to 10. So this is our answer. What do we want to do this graphically, or algebraically? Well, we know that if we factor negative 16, and then we also calculated this back here. 128 divided by negative 16 is negative 8t, and then 320 divided by negative 16 is negative 20. And then we can factor this out to be 10 and 2, and negative 10 plus 2. So we know that our two solutions are negative 2 and 10. And obviously there is no such thing as a negative 2 seconds, and so the other possible value would only be 10.